Hi, you guys, it's Gene Simmons. Welcome to one of the properties which we're no longer living in, smack dab in the middle of Beverly Hills. This house is remarkable because I've literally never seen a house like this. And this design element looks cool, but it actually minimizes the amount of heat the sun kicks off because the sun comes up every day this way. The coolest, classiest house. Check it out. Come on in. You walk in and you immediately get floor-to-ceiling views. You get the inside, outside, but also because it's so scientifically designed, you can't hear traffic or any noise. We love quiet. So we have a number of different rooms. You've got the master bedroom, guest bedrooms, quite a few of them, and a movie room. For me, this is a place where the outside humdrum of life doesn't get in, put my trusty cell down, and watch my favorite films. Some people think the living room is empty. I say it's the perfect placement of bric-a-brac and potpourri. Comfort is the most important thing. Here comes the TV. Take a look at that. So that's actually built so solidly that it's actually underground. Likewise, there's a TV out there if you and your friends want to gather around and watch the ball game and do all that. It's really quite an amazing place. Here are the gadgets. If you can figure out how to work the gadgets, you're better than I am. I have no idea. This one is...
Convection oven.
The f is a convection. But easy peasy. Everything here is just designed so well. The property is actually much bigger than you think it is. We have the infinity pool, but there are no next door neighbors. But I will tell you that the only reason we're selling this house, the wifey wanted more closet space. And I've heard that on a few of the houses. Happy wife, happy life. We're upstairs, and it feels like you're on the first floor. And the inside, again, is the outside. This area is called fun because this is where you have fun. You can hit a button and the skylight opens up. Again, indoor, outdoor. There's a walkway around the house. And I like, when people are here and I'm not yet ready to join them, it's nice to see them having fun in the infinity pool and hanging out. When I've had enough of commotion and schmonotion, I go back to my master bedroom. This was the ladies' closet, and that used to be my office. We blasted through here so she'd have more room, but the real punchline is even that's not enough. The master bedroom here, again, you have in and out, and you can go outside. These glass doors slide, and then when the wifey was ready to have her coffee, she would just draw the curtains open, and you get light that comes in from the outside. And that means it doesn't matter if you feel comfortable being asleep, it's time to get up because the wifey says it's time to get up. You guys, thanks very much for dropping by. This unique property, unlike anything that I've seen before, is going to be handed over to somebody really lucky. Come here, have the time of your life, and I wish you well.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.